So today I found the inflorescence, which I pollinated probably mid last summer, and it's finally ripened. So this part here, these just fall off, and then under here you can kind of see in there, those are the seeds. So they'll come out like this, and then there is an actual seed. We'll be putting this in the water and cleaning it, and here in a little bit we'll clean all this up and we'll see how many seeds we got out of this one seed head. So I'll get back to you in a second and show you those when you're ready.
It's on.
Well, we cleaned out the seeds and they kind of look strange, but sometimes with the hybrids this happens. They don't look completely uniform. Some may not grow. You can see some in here that are real little, like these guys here. These may or may not grow, but more likely these could be hybrids. They all should be hybrids. I think I used pollen off of Adansonii for Staliiform, and then I also used pollen off of Monstera deliciosa, the Thai constellation form. And these were all, the pollen was put on the velvet shingling dubia. And when these grow out, we'll see what we have. There's 112 seeds. I'm pretty sure not all of these are going to survive, but a lot of these should. If it was a straight cross with itself, I would have had probably about 5 times as many seeds, but because of the hybrids, I get very few seeds compared to the flower head. So we'll see what happens. This is pretty cool though. Hopefully we get something neat out of it. See ya. That way's a good way to do this?
Yeah, good.
All right. So we just got done potting up the seeds. I put them in pure long fiber sphagnum moss. And I got 2, so there's around 50, 60 seeds in each one. I'm probably gonna put a light layer of moss on top of them just to help keep them moist, and then they're gonna go on a heated bench in my collection greenhouse. And we'll do an update in about, I don't know, a couple weeks and see what sprouts out, see if there's any variegation or anything unique. Usually they just come out green at first, but then it'll take a little longer to see the uniqueness come out. So we'll do an update soon.